Welcome to the Real Double Dose Channel broadcast station, focused on the real reels of real life, love, growth, and of course, elevation within all levels. RDDC is exactly the place where anyone can discover more depth, love, light, and clarity within themselves, and elevate from other people's walks of life, conversations, and questions, along with deeper insights. So tune in and be a part of the Double Doses with Lexus T and RDDC.
Hello to all of you family. This is Bahriva from the RDDC team, coming to you from the Real Double Dose channel. I'm very excited to be here back again. It is truly a great experience and pleasure. I want to talk about a topic that is going to be a part of the upcoming conversations, and it actually comes from a snippet of some of the books, set to discover even more insightful aspects on the Real Double Dose channel's website. I hope that you enjoy my first mini segment with you all because I am a bit nervous, but I can't wait for more because this has inspired me so much as well. Please stay tuned for the next episode rolling out from your host of the Double Dose, Lexus T. She sends her love to each and every single one of you amazing familians. Why do we struggle with self-care? We all know that self-care is important to your well-being and success in life. This fact alone doesn't make it any easier to carve out more time in your life for it. Please keep listening to discover some of the reasons you may struggle with self-care so that you can be more aware as you try to work it into your routine. You feel shame. Many people don't find the time for self-care for the simple reason that deep down, they don't believe that they deserve it. This comes from a poor self-image when an individual doesn't believe they are worth the time for proper self-care. Improving your self-image and reminding yourself that you are deserving of self-care can make it easier to schedule time in your busy life for it. You don't want to make the effort. It is also an effort to set aside time out of your schedule to take care of yourself, and some people are too lazy to make this effort. Often this laziness goes back to poor self-image or poor time management, or both, so these two aspects may need to be addressed if you find yourself not wanting to make an effort to include self-care in your life. Sometimes these people find it is easier to engage in self-care when they put it directly into their schedule. Or just maybe, you don't know what self-care is. In this day and age, it is common to hear people say treat yourself, and it's important to distinguish that treating yourself is not self-care. Treating yourself should come as a reward after a specific activity, not a regular staple in your life. For example, treating yourself is an ice cream cone on a Friday night, while self-care is being sure you eat enough healthy fruits and vegetables. Okay then, what if you are tired? The number one reason that people struggle with self-care is that they are tired. This is a self-perpetuating problem because, without proper self-care, you will feel increasingly tired. If this is something you struggle with, it's important to get over that first hump of self-care and get yourself some rest so that you don't feel too tired for future self-care sessions. All in all, there are several reasons you could be struggling with self-care. This mini convo might not even list your specific reason here. Regardless, it would be best if you found out why you are struggling with self-care so that you can solve the problem. Without self-care, you will be tired and stressed for the rest of your life. Now we don't want that, do we? Okay, now you're probably asking me, Bahriva, what happens if we ignore our self-care? Of course I was waiting for you to ask me this, just as our wonderful Lexus T. So let's get the answer, RDDC family. Absolutely we shall. So, what happens if we ignore our self-care? You're busy. There are appointments to be made, dates to keep, and grocery shopping to do whenever you have a minute. Although you may be busy, you must make time for your self-care. There are many consequences to ignoring your self-care. Please keep on listening to learn what they are. Fatigue. The number one danger of neglecting your self-care is fatigue. Fatigue happens when you don't get enough sleep or are simply working too hard around the clock. Although fatigue may not sound that dangerous, it can be, especially if you work at a job where you run heavy machinery or are in charge of others' safety. Poor relationships with others. When you neglect your self-care, you will feel worn down, tired, and maybe even slightly angry at the world. When you feel like this, you can't maintain healthy relationships with those around you. This inability will lead to your friendships degrading and maybe even your romantic relationship falling apart. You could have avoided all of this had you taken some time for self-care. Poor health. Besides just damaging your relationships, not engaging in self-care can damage your health. You may notice weight gain, poor skin, and maybe even frequent colds, all from neglecting your self-care. This is because self-care includes exercising, eating properly, and getting enough sleep, which leads to a healthy lifestyle. You will blame others for your mistakes. While you are in a state of poor health and fatigue, you will also begin to blame others for the mistakes you are making. Not taking responsibility for your actions is an immature way to deal with the fact that you aren't prioritizing your self-care. And if you react this way because you aren't thinking straight, this will likely lose you any friends or family that you may have left, as no one wants to hang around someone who is negative and blames others. It's hard to prioritize self-care, especially when you lead a busy life. However, if you ignore self-care, you will become fatigued, ruin your relationships with others, and even damage your health. The worst part is, you will blame someone else for all of these mistakes. Don't let this happen in your life, and be sure you take the time to engage in proper self-care today so that you can live a happy and healthy life. Alright, familians. For now, we have to end this off, but I'm just happy to be on here and honored to have been able this beautiful snippet of your time to help all of our spirits and mind elevate. If you want to find out more about this amazing self-care, restoration, and love, a conversation that should always be an evergreen topic with yourself and all those whom you love, then please make sure you go over to therealdoubledosechannel.com and get yourself on the journey of elevating even more, as well as spirit and mind elevation.com. Here you can find more great content being posted weekly there as well. We want also to say thank you for your ongoing support, love, motivation, and inspiration every time you tune in with us. As we like to say, 1 equals 1 million, and all of your hearts sing the most beautiful song, so we will be back with you soon. And it's going to be a great journey. Until next time, be the change, feel the passion, and embrace the power of the spirit. Lexus T, Angela, Tony, and Risco all send our love to you. And we will be back with you very soon.